Hi, this is Karen with WTI. It is a game changer that the iPhone 15 Pro Max has a USB-C port and allows me to record in a ProRes setting with an external memory. And I really like the action button since I can customize it to my camera or a light or a voice memo. It's like having a little office on my hand. And I was pleasantly surprised with the blue. It's a very rich blue and super elegant. I really love it. And the quality of the camera is amazing. I don't need extra lenses to get that really close up shot, and I can edit the photo right then and there. The videos that I take, I can also edit them, add voiceover. I mean, the sky is the limit. And it has a easy access to change the text size. Sometimes I'm reading and I need that text to be bigger. And that's our point of view.